Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, the 19th of July. It is our last week at school, and I'm really pleased that it is my assembly today. So there's lots and lots to talk about, lots of exciting things planned for this week, and we're going to have a chat about those this morning. So I'm going to share my screen. Let's go back to here. So good morning, everyone. As you are aware, our core value for this half term is resilience. And I think we've all needed lots of resilience this half term. It's been lots and lots of hard work, but lots of great fun as well. And just to remind you of the definition, it is the ability to deal with your challenges while still holding your head up. So even though we have managed to cram so much into this year, and at times it might have felt, oh my goodness, how am I going to get this done? How am I going to complete my writing outcome? How am I going to get my art done in time? You have done amazingly well. And I think every single one of us has shown huge resilience this year. And just a reminder of the other definitions as well, about bouncing back after difficult times, the ability to cope when things go wrong, giving new things a go or trying your best, which some of us will be doing maybe even today. I know year 6 are out trying out lots of new things when they get to Chessington today, and also being strong on the inside, trying to remain strong even maybe when you don't feel very strong. It's digging deep, putting that invisible cloak on, and just trying your best every day. So first of all, I would like to congratulate everyone in early years and Key Stage 1. We had our sports afternoon on Friday. I know a couple of weeks ago we were celebrating the Key Stage 2 sports afternoons, and it was a fantastic afternoon. The sun shone for us and there was lots of excitement, and I wanted to play you actually a video of their afternoon that we have shared on Twitter. So let me just find that. I think, is it this one? Yes. Have a look at this. Wasn't that fantastic? So let's get back to the PowerPoint. So really well done. And thank you, Mrs. Hubble, for making that presentation. It was really lovely to see all the smiles and the cheers as well. So well done, early years and Key Stage 1. This is another special week. This is a special week, sorry, for another reason, is that we are going to be welcoming our new reception children this week to Forest. So you won't see them, but after school on different days this week, we shall be having sessions for our new children, and they will be able to come and visit our school when it's nice and quiet and see their classroom and meet their teachers. So that is something that we're very, very much looking forward to, so that they can have an idea of where they're coming, during the summer holidays. It makes them feel excited about coming to big school and also gives us a chance to meet them as well. So that is something really exciting that's happening this week. Sadly, we are also saying goodbye to our wonderful Year 6 children. So some of you I know may not have been here for all that long, but we will be I suppose, relishing every day that we have left with you this week. We've got lots of exciting things planned. Year 6 aren't even actually at school today because they're out on their trip to Chessington World of Adventures with their teachers. So hopefully they will get to see this video. I'm hoping they will watch it tomorrow, because we will be very, very sad to say goodbye to them on Friday. But know that all of the values that they will take with them from Forest, all of the friendships that you have made, will enable you to move on to the next part of your exciting journey at secondary school with confidence, and hopefully you will continue to thrive and become the citizens that we know you are all, going to be, and make your mark on the world. So although we are welcoming some children this week, it is also a sad week as well, because we say goodbye to our Year 6s, but we know that you will all go on to do fantastic things. Now, tomorrow, everyone will be meeting your new teachers and LSAs, and you will also get to be visiting your classrooms. Now, for the vast majority of classes, that will happen tomorrow afternoon. There is an exception in that Year 2 children, you will be meeting your teacher tomorrow morning. So most of you, that will happen tomorrow afternoon on Tuesday, but for just one class, that will happen in the morning. Year 6, don't panic. We have an afternoon of fun prepared for you, because Coach Niall is coming in and you will have an afternoon on the field. I think there's lots of things planned for you, including possibly a rounders tournament. So you will also have a fantastic time tomorrow afternoon. Now, what I would like you to think about before you get to your Meet the Teacher session is what first impression you would like to make on your new teacher and your new LSA. So I know that they will probably know you already, maybe from seeing you around the school or in the dining hall, but think about what first impression you would like to make in your Meet the Teacher session tomorrow. So there will be a chance for you to get to know each other. So I'm sure the teachers and TAs will tell you a little bit about themselves so that you can learn a bit about them, as well as you telling them a little bit about you. You will be completing your own mini sort of passport, giving a bit of information about yourselves, who your friends are, what you like doing, what your favourite subjects are, maybe what your hopes and dreams are. And the teachers and LSAs will be taking those away and reading them with interest to find out who they've got in their class next year. Now, equally, think about how you project yourself when you go into your new class. It would be lovely if everybody walked in with a big smile, who said good afternoon, who's really listened, showing good listening skills, showing our learning behaviours, which I know you all can. We always impress our visitors to Forest, and they are always so complimentary about all of your behaviour for learning. So I know you won't let yourselves down, and that your teachers and LSAs will be just as excited as you are for September once you've had your afternoon together tomorrow. So I hope that goes really, really well for you all. Now, another exciting thing that's happening this week, we are going to be sharing your books with parents. So at the end of the day today, Lime class, Holly class, Pine and Poplar class will have an opportunity to share your exercise books. So all of the learning that you've worked so hard on this year, you will get to talk through with your parents. They won't be able to take them home, I'm afraid, because we want to keep hold of them in case we have more visitors in the autumn term. But please do show them all the things that you are proud of. Maybe look back at the beginning, show them your handwriting and how much you were writing then compared to now, so that they can see all of the hard work and the progress you've made this year. So that will be year 3 and 5 today after school on the Key Stage 2 playground. Mr. Sell is very kindly going to put some tables out for you. And then tomorrow we will have year 4 and 6 sharing your books. And on Wednesday we will have reception and year 1 and 2. So please remind your parents that they can come in a bit earlier at the end of the day to pick you up. We will send texts to remind them as well, so that you do have that bit of time together to talk through your learning with them, because it's really, really important you get to share all the exciting things that you have done this year. And thinking about that, think about what are you most proud of this year? I think what I am most proud of is everyone's resilience. And I'm talking about all the children as well as all the staff at Forest. It has been another quite challenging year with lockdown happening right in the middle of it. Lots of new things happening at Forest as well, where we've introduced a brand new curriculum. We've had new arrangements for lunch times and break times, and you have all just taken it in your stride. So it's not really my achievement, but I am so proud of everyone at Forest this year. And I think every single one of you deserves a really relaxing break, so that we can all come back all guns blazing in September as well and carry on our good work. So think about what you are most proud of, and maybe share that with your new teacher or with your parents at the end of the day. Start to have a think about it. It's a really good time of year to start reflecting on what has gone really, really well and what you want to maybe take over to next year to start focusing on. Okay, now another big event of the week will be our year 6 prom on Wednesday evening. So they will be having a special party in the hall, and it will be decorated so you won't recognise it as the school hall. It will look like a very, very posh venue. So we're looking forward to that, and some teachers and staff will be staying behind to celebrate with the children then. So that's something else for our year 6 to look forward to in their last few days. And what we would like to do, I would like to share this poem with you. It's called The Full Stop Day. And this is mostly for our year 6 to commemorate their last few days at Forest. But one day it will be all of your turns, and it will be your last week or your last day at Forest one day, whether that's next year, in a couple of years, or in a few years' time. So this is a poem I particularly enjoy, so I thought I would share it with you today. The Full Stop Day. Last 6 hours of primary school, goodbye is getting near. The sums and sentences all done, the full stop day is here. Last 5 hours of primary school, where everything's before, the aims and games and crazes no one's crazy for no more. Last 4 hours of primary school, surrounded by a class who'll scatter soon and not return when summer's days have passed. Last 3 hours of primary school, one final lunchtime play. Instead of chasing friends, we try to chase and catch the day. Last 2 hours of primary school, the clock hands blur and skid, signing shirts, remembering the coolest things we did. Last 1 hour of primary school, where teachers understood and helped me see I could achieve, for they believed I could. Last half hour of primary school, the assembly we all dread. We cannot sing our year 6 kings, the crown slips from our heads. Last ever second of primary school, the full stop rings in our ears, but 1,000 chapters left to write. We must vacate our childhood sight, for time moves on and time is right to leave our wonder years. And I'd like to wish our year 6 a fantastic last few days at Forest Academy, and wish you all a wonderful summer break. And I will see you around the school later today. So thank you, everyone. Enjoy your last week at Forest. There is lots and lots to pack in before we all say goodbye to each other on Friday. Have a fantastic week, and I will see you shortly. Bye-bye.